Now class, till now you have made those program in which only one class is there, okay, and where you declare the variable like this only with no access specifiers here, okay. But now in this chapter you will learn that when you make a program in which more than one classes are there, okay, and that is known as the package, okay. And not only one package, but you are making another package also, right? And now you will see that how these two packages are linked with each other. In this package there are 1, 2 and 3 classes. In this package 2 there is 1, 2 and 3 classes. And here you are making some variable, you are declaring the variable. First you are declaring int type with no access specifier, like we were doing till now. And then this is the another one, char type, the access specifier is private. Another double type, access specifier is protected. String type is public. And int type again private protected, okay. Now see, in this class you have declared them. This is another class b. Extends is the keyword for using for inheriting this class from which class? A. Means here A is the base class and B is the subclass. So whatever things are present in A, that will go in B also, okay. Now this is another class C, but it is not extended from A, it is a separate class, okay. Now see what will go in A, like all these variables are declared. So in A, which variable you can use in class A, as all these are declared inside class A, so these all variables you can use inside class A. So class A will have all these variables I, J, K, L, M. Now we'll see class B. In class B, as I said that it is a subclass of A, so all these variables will go. No, not all. This will go, the variable which is not having any access specifier will go in B, but this private will not go, because private is a access specifier which says that variable will be used within the same class in which it is declared. Then we have the protected type of variable. This protected will go in this because this class is a subclass of A. So protected variable says that it will go to the subclass. Then L is a public type, so public is open to all, so this L will also go there. Now it is private protected. Now if the word you see private, so private should not go there, but because protected is there and protected goes in the subclasses, so M will also go. So in class B, I, K, L, M means I will go, K, L, M will go, only J will not go, which is a private. In C, what will go? Private will not go, okay. This I will go here, I will go. Then K will go because it is protected, so it goes in subclasses also. And plus protected says that I will go in the all the classes of same package, because C is present in the same package, so this K will also go in C, okay. Public is public only, so it is open to all, so it will go. But this private protected will not go. Why it will not go? Because it is not a subclass, and plus because of the private, so private says B here in A only. So private is saying to M, B here as you are created in A, and protected is saying that you will not go in C because C is not my subclass, okay. So which variables will go? I, K and L. Now see in package 2 what is happening. There is a class D, separate class. Class E extends A, means this E is having features of A. It is also a subclass of A. That is why these two are connected, these two packages. Then we have a separate F. What will go in D? In D, only L will go, because it is a public type, so only public variable will go. This variable in which the keyword no access specifier is there, this will go only in the whole package, but it will not go in another package. Private will not go in other classes, so why it will go in other package? Protected says that I will go only in the whole classes of the same package, but not in the other classes of another package which are not the subclass. As D is not the subclass of A, so protected will also not go there. Public will go because it is public, and private protected will not go at all because it is not going in C only. Then how can it go in other package? Then we have class E extends A. So E is a subclass of A. So this will not go, private will not go, but protected says because it is my subclass, so K will go, this public will go. So see here, K and L will go. What will go in F? Because F is also a separate class like D, so in F also only L will go.